Meet Project Management Simplified, an all-in-one Notion template for running your projects. 5 project phases structured from kickoff to closure. A live status dashboard shows every project at a glance. Gantt-style timeline maps when each project runs. The task board tracks the day-to-day work. Milestones keep you ahead of every deadline. Your team, with over and under allocation flags, plus meetings, risks, issues, and deliverables. Here's how it works. The process: initiate, plan, execute, monitor, close. The features: linked databases, status roll-ups, filtered views. The functions: kickoff templates, auto-updating timelines, allocation flags, a risk register. To summarize, 9 sections all in one workspace, from phases and dashboard to risks and closure. Replace the scattered tools, onboard your team in minutes. Get Project Management Simplified today. Link in the description below. Meet Project Management Simplified, an all-in-one Notion template for running your project.